Let's be real for a second. You've probably seen people on TikTok or YouTube talking about how they make thousands of dollars working from home as freelancers. And you're wondering, okay, but how do I actually start? Where do I go? And can I really do this, even if I have no experience? The answer is yes, but not in some magic, get-rich-quick way. You need a game plan, the right tools, and a little bit of hustle. In this video, I'm breaking down the top freelancing sites that are actually worth your time, and how you can start building a freelance income step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick around, because by the end, you won't just know where to go. You'll know exactly what to do next. Freelancing has become one of the most flexible and empowering ways to make money today. You can work from home, set your own hours, and choose the kind of projects that excite you. But with so many freelancing websites out there, it can feel overwhelming. Should you be on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer? Or are there hidden gems out there you haven't heard of? And once you pick a platform, how do you even stand out when there are thousands of people competing for the same gigs? That's what we're going to break down today. First, I'll walk you through the top freelancing platforms that are beginner-friendly and actually pay. Then, I'll give you a clear step-by-step guide to getting started, landing your first client, and avoiding the most common mistakes beginners make. Let's jump in. Let's start with the platforms. Not all freelancing sites are created equal, and some are better depending on your skills, experience, and goals. Number 1. Upwork. Probably the most popular freelancing site globally. It covers almost every kind of freelance job: writing, design, marketing, customer service, data entry, coding, you name it. Pros: tons of job listings, solid payment protection, and trusted by big companies. Cons: it can be competitive, and Upwork charges a service fee starting at 20% of what you earn. Good for beginners and pros alike, especially if you're in writing, design, marketing, or tech. Number 2. Fiverr. Fiverr is great if you want to offer specific services or gigs, starting at $5, but many freelancers charge way more. Pros: you create your own packages and clients come to you. Cons: it takes time to get noticed if you don't have reviews. Good for creatives, like graphic designers, video editors, voiceover artists, and social media managers. Number 3. Freelancer.com, similar to Upwork. It has lots of jobs in different fields, including writing, IT, marketing, and engineering. Pros: plenty of job variety. Cons: some users complain about spammy projects and fees. Good for those willing to dig through listings and bid competitively. Number 4. TopTal. TopTal is a premium freelance network. They only accept the top 3% of freelancers after a rigorous screening process. Pros: high pay, great clients, long-term opportunities. Cons: hard to get in. Good for experienced developers, designers, and finance experts. Number 5. People Per Hour, a UK-based platform where freelancers set hourly rates or fixed-price packages. Pros: easy to create hourlies, set-price services. Cons: not as much volume as Fiverr or Upwork. Good for writers, developers, SEO specialists, and designers. Number 6. Guru, another general freelance marketplace. Pros: flexible payment terms and good tools for managing projects. Cons: smaller client base than Upwork. Good for professionals looking for long-term work relationships. Number 7. FlexJobs. Unlike other freelancing platforms, FlexJobs curates remote and freelance jobs from legit employers. Pros: all jobs are hand-screened, so there's less spam. Cons: it's a paid platform. You'll need to subscribe. Good for remote jobs in writing, admin, customer service, teaching, and more. Number 8. Contra, a newer platform designed for independent workers. No service fees. You keep 100% of your earnings. Pros: clean UI, no commissions. Cons: still growing, so less job volume. Good for creatives, consultants, and marketers looking for portfolio-based gigs. Number 9. Solid Gigs. Not a job board, but a lead generation service. They find quality freelance leads and email them to you. Pros: saves time, high-quality gigs. Cons: monthly fee to access leads. Good for busy freelancers tired of hunting for jobs every day. Knowing where to go is great, but how do you actually start? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose a skill you can offer. You don't have to be an expert. You just need to be good enough to help someone. Think about what you're good at, what people already ask you to help with, what skills are in demand, like writing, social media, editing, translation, graphic design, etc. If you're not confident in your skills yet, don't panic. There are thousands of free resources to help you improve. YouTube tutorials, online courses, blogs. You don't need a degree, just the ability to deliver results. Step 2. Pick one platform to start with. Don't try to be everywhere at once. Pick one freelancing site based on your skill and your goals. For example, writers, designers, try Upwork or Fiverr. Developers, maybe TopTal or Freelancer. Newcomers, Upwork or Fiverr are good entry points. Set up your profile with a clear title, professional photo, and a short bio focused on how you help clients, not just your background. Step 3. Build a mini portfolio. Even if you haven't had clients yet, create samples. If you're a writer, write blog posts or product descriptions. If you're a designer, design logos or website mock-ups. If you're a video editor, edit a sample reel. You can create 3 to 5 examples and upload them to your profile or Google Drive with shareable links. This shows clients what you can do. Step 4. Start applying or posting gigs. If you're on Upwork or Freelancer, search for relevant jobs and send proposals. Tips for proposals. Keep it short. Mention the client's specific needs. Show you've read their job post. Suggest a small solution or ask a thoughtful question. On Fiverr, it's the opposite. You create gigs and wait for clients. So make your titles and thumbnails catchy, clear, and direct. So there you have it, a roadmap to getting started with freelancing, even if you're starting from scratch. Look, freelancing isn't a magic shortcut to easy money. It's real work, but it's also real freedom. The chance to build something on your terms, to work from anywhere, to choose your own clients, and to grow a skill into a full-time income, or even a business. The most important step? Just starting. Pick one platform, choose one skill, and commit to getting just one client. That's how every successful freelancer begins. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing more practical tips for online income, productivity, and building a flexible lifestyle that actually works. And hey, drop a comment below. What skill are you thinking of freelancing with? I'd love to hear your ideas or even help guide you. Remember, your first dollar online can change the way you see work forever. Keep learning, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.